Ever wonder if you're leaving money on the table every time you hit buy on Newton? While it's one of the most popular apps in Canada for its clean interface, the no-fee marketing can be a bit of a trap once you realize the spreads, the difference between the buy and sell price, can sometimes eat up more of your profit than a transparent trading fee would. I've personally used Newton for years, but as I started trading larger amounts, I realized I needed platforms that offered better liquidity and lower total costs. If you're looking for the best alternatives to Newton right now, there are 3 specific platforms that I've switched to depending on what I'm trying to do. First, for the lowest possible fees, you should look at NDAX. Based in Calgary, it's a powerhouse for anyone moving beyond the beginner phase. Unlike Newton, which hides its cost in the spread, NDAX charges a flat 0.2% trading fee. If you're buying $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, you know exactly what you're paying. They also offer more advanced features like limit orders, which let you set a specific price to buy or sell, rather than just taking whatever the market price is at that second. Second, if security and regulation are your main concerns, BitBuy is the move. They were one of the first to become fully regulated as a restricted dealer in Canada. I personally use BitBuy when I want that extra peace of mind, especially because they keep about 95% of their digital assets in cold storage. Their Pro interface also offers deep liquidity, meaning if you're doing a larger trade, you won't get slippage where the price moves against you mid-transaction. Lastly, for the pure Bitcoin maxis, there's ShakePay. Now, ShakePay only supports Bitcoin and Ethereum, so it's not for the altcoin hunters. But their Shake for Sats feature literally gives you free Bitcoin every day just for opening the app and shaking your phone. I use this as my daily driver for small, recurring buys because the user experience is even faster than Newton, and their Interac e-transfers are usually processed in minutes. If you're already a Wealthsimple user for stocks, their crypto platform has improved massively. It's no longer just a closed system, you can now withdraw your coins to a private wallet. The fees are slightly higher, ranging from 0.5% to 2%, but the convenience of having your TFSA, RRSP, and crypto all in one app is hard to beat for simplicity. Choosing an alternative really comes down to your goal. Go with NDAX for the lowest fees, BitBuy for maximum regulation, or ShakePay for the easiest Bitcoin-only experience. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.